Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I finished reading this book called Hema Malini Beyond the Dream Girl. Now, the thing that is unique about this book is that it is an authorized biography by Ram Kamal Mukherjee. And there are these very little known facts about Hema Malini that you would get to know when you read this book. For instance, just top of my mind, uh, apparently, in sense, Hema Malini lost her father because he had this heart attack when a fan just happened to, I think, in the dressing room or something, this person just burst into the room, and I mean, so Hema Malini's father got a scare and he tried to shoo this guy away, and some kind of this, I don't know, this happened during a show that Hema Malini was performing, or so there was a lot of it was a police case that that person put on that whole, saying that he was shooed away and things like that. So all that turmoil caused a heart attack and to Hema Malini's dad, and he passed away. So in the biography, she says that she tells Ram Kamal Mukherjee that you don't know how much I've had to give up to be a star. So I found those lines very profound. I mean, you see the hardworking person that Hema Malini is, like right from the time she was a child, she had to attend these dance practices, and it's it's like, if you were to read her life and timetable and schedule, and like generally it's very rigorous, and so or every bit of the stardom, it's like she's worked so hard for it. And the funny part being, Hema Malini never wanted to become an actress. It was her mother's dream, and the first ever South Indian movie producer kind of he made them sign a contract that was very unfair, and the very first person had tried to jeopardize her career, so there were lots of spanners in the wheel, so to speak. But despite everything, Hema Malini just kept marching forward, and today she is known as the first female superstar, of the country. So do try and read it, people. It's called Beyond the Dream Girl, and it is an very enlightening book because all the people close to her, also like her daughters Isha and Ahana, they all have a chapter that is, they're speaking about their mom, about their memories of how it was, from the time, like she was a working young mother, right? So it's very interesting. And Ramesh Sippy, also the director of Sholay, he also gives his last, the book ends with his writing. It's an interesting book. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.